Hello there, everybody at After Disaster. My name is Jose, and today I'm going to give you guys three tips that will help you start outranking your competitors there locally. And I'm actually a friend of Rafael Guerra's, so he kind of told me about you guys, and so I figured I'd make you guys a video since he talked so well about you guys and how he really loved working with you guys. So let's not waste any more time and get right to it. So number one, guys, you got to remember that Google and all these search engines really love content, which is why whenever you look up somebody like Mike Tyson or Michael Jackson on Google, it's not their website that pops up, but Wikipedia pops up first. So you got to get a lot more content on your front page. And then within that content, you want to fill it up with keywords. Okay. And now I found a lot of missed opportunities on this website, such as this right here. See how it's saved under that? That's a missed opportunity to add a keyword. So when Google crawls your website, then that's what they find is that saved instead of finding a keyword that you can be ranking for. Uh, Another thing, guys, just an extra little tip. You want to have a call to action here. They've been proven to convert more leads. And right here, just this little deal right here doesn't catch my attention as something bigger right here would. Okay, so number two, well, actually, this is kind of part of number one. See this 377 keywords? This tool right here that I'm using allows me to see the stats of your website. It's called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com, and I pay about $1,000 a month for it, but you can use it as well to check out your stats and check out your competitor stats. See, I pulled up a couple of your competitors here, Carolina Water Damage and Restoration 1, and I looked through their keywords, and it looks like they're targeting a lot more keywords than you guys are. And so that's one thing that you guys can focus on is actually getting uh, targeting these keywords better because as you can see right here, 600 searches a month for after disaster. So congratulations on that, guys, that you guys have people looking for your name. You guys are in the first position on the first page. Now the positions here can be from 1 through 10 and still be on the first page. So as you can see here, after disaster, 100 searches a month. This is without a space in the middle, 100 searches a month. You guys are in the second position here, first page. So from anything here that is in 1 through 10, you're still on the front page. But ideally, you want to be in first position for all of these guys, or else you're missing out on opportunities. So I'm going to line it up from first page, from first position to 10th position. As you can see here, guys, by the end of this page, you're already about to hit the second page on Google with these words. Is mold everywhere? I mean, this doesn't even have anything to do with the buyer's intent, right? You want to focus on buyer intent keywords. Remove furniture stain from carpet. Okay, I don't know if that's a big job for you guys or not, but let's see how to remove furniture stain from carpet. See, these words ain't even helping you guys. Half of the words that you guys are ranking for on the first page ain't even helping you guys. And the other half, it's people that already know your name. So we want to target other people, right? So look, if we go to the second page of your keywords, you're already on the second page. So anything after this, you're not ranking for, you're not being found for. So out of those 377 words that you have here, you're only being found for like 15, 20, and half of them aren't buyer intent. So if you guys aren't getting a lot of clients through your website, that explains a little bit. Now let's look at your competitors. I want to show you guys. This is Carolina Water Damage here. They're in first position for all these words. Well, let's line them up the same way, from first to last. See that first page, first position. Look at all these first positions. This is how you guys should look. Second position, third position by the end of the page. And these are all good words, buyer intent words, mold remediation Raleigh, as you can see. Now they have about double. They have almost double almost by the end of the second page where they already now see now right here's where they start ranking on the second page. So anything after this, they're not being found for it either. So guys, take advantage of this information because this is very helpful for you guys. So backlinks, number two. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. So you want backlinks on powerful websites because you want your scores to come up. This is the front page power, and this is your overall website power. And so you want to have these links and target very powerful websites so that they can pass on some of their power to you. In which our team has access to a lot of high power uh, backlinks that can really help out. So number three, guys, the third tip is to rank here on this map pack. You want to go after citations. What a citation is whenever you list your company name, address, and phone number on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, and there's hundreds of free directories you can list on. Find out how many your competitors have, and you want to beat them out, okay? And you don't want to beat them out by too many because Google is smart, guys. You can't really make it too obvious. So you want to get citations to start outranking your competitors here as well. And this will bring you a lot of leads as well as this organics listing here. So guys, I hope this was very helpful for you guys. Um, Again, you guys can do this yourselves, or if you guys need any help, feel free to give us a call at 806-268-7118, and I would love to schedule a call with you guys so that we can go over this in more depth. My name is Jose, and my number is 806-268-7118.